Let's get this bread. Alright, so just a heads up, I am in a 0 DT on the SPY. It's 643. I paid, I think, like 72 cents per share. I think I got in about right here. It'd be really cool if we could ride down here, but I'm gonna sit here and watch this on the 2 minute, so we'll see how it does, how it goes. XO Cole, top in the morning. Mom, good morning. Oh yeah, appreciate y'all showing up with the likes too. Ricky Run, top of the morning. Yeah, so just trying to see what happens here. Go back to a 5. See how far we want to come down. Also, actually see if we confirmed on the 5 below this, but see what happens on the 15. See if we can confirm. Stanley, good morning. Natasha, good morning. Colin, good morning. Brandon, good morning. Ooh. Ooh, 57% red. Okay. Oh, we are in the red today. Okay. Bought 2K of Wolf shares at 533. All right, we can pull up Wolf right here. Let's see how this doing. Oh. Well, look at them go. There they go. That is what's up. I know there are a lot of people eating off that. Is there like a catalyst? If there is, I'm not aware of it. Luke, good morning. Next play is QBTS. Can you show levels and support? What do you mean next play? What was up with Wolf? Oh, they signed contracts with Fluid Stack. Okay. And then QBTS, where they at? There they are. Bro, they have a really weird range. So it's weird when it comes to defining a range. April, good morning. Jorman, top of the morning. And good morning. Just to everyone that's coming in, I grabbed a SPY 0 DTE, a put. It's 643. I paid 72 for it, or 72 cents per share. I'm up like 25% on it right now. And I think my break even, let me see. Always like to draw my break even price. So my break even is gonna be, it's not letting me get the exact price. Right here. So yeah, that's my break even line. Past that, no losses. conference call this morning before market open. Discuss new. All right, all right. Hi, Trap. Top of the morning. Yoko. Good morning. Trading view pivot points. High low multi-frame. Show all level. Hey, that's. I think we pulled that one up before. Appreciate that, iTrap. I feel kind of drained right now. Not gonna lie. Need to slowly sit here and let my energy come back to me. Here, let's go down to a 5. All right, so just so y'all see with the SPY, I just saw that we had this trend line. It would have been nice to catch up here, but with the trend line, see, we broke the trend line, and then we had this elevated volume, so took an entry on a put to the downside. Romero, top of the morning. Do I see a good level to get in at QUBT? Support. There's support at like 1680, but no, they've been consolidating a long time. Like the real lower end of this range would be like 1376. All I can really say is the lower the better. I like it more around 11. Then below that, like 7. Yeah, QUBT, if you look at it, it's just been, this is a long flag. It came below this trend line. It's on the bottom side of this trend line. So I would personally still want to see it come back to next level, next point from when it was on the trend line was like 11. And then where it started was about like 650. So that would ideally be how it was if we were looking at the trend lines. Kind of like how this trend was created here. This one's moving faster pace, but this trend was created here, and ideally it makes its way back to this low over here. No longer lurking. Good morning. Sunny South Florida. Hey, top of the morning, Trent. Appreciate you leaving the lurk zone. Levi, top of the morning. Patrick, good morning. Maurice, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, M-Sense. Did you still have your call on Wolf? Waiting on a pullback to hop back in. Yeah, option play still. DCAing. Hey, as long as you got your shares, that's cool. All right, hold on one second. Let's see. SPY gonna come down anymore? Here, actually, they got a downtrend. Let me see if we want to uphold that. All right, Sarah, top of the morning. Please match the like number to the number watching. Oh, we're about 22 likes away from that. Let's see. Hey, but hey, that'd be cool if some lurkers wanna come over and like. Hope we have a profitable day. It's not the best start for me. I also I grabbed a call on Meta and I grabbed a call on Nvidia, and pretty much as soon as I grabbed the calls, they I got Meta right at the top. Nvidia got pretty close to the top too. I still think I can get out of them profitably, but right now it's not looking the best. But also they expire tomorrow, so we'll see. It's going to depend on a lot. Only had one call. I have 2 contracts on SoFi. I think I bought 2. I'm already red, but it expires next week. Got any helpful thoughts? No. Yeah, unless there is catalyst for SoFi to go up. Nothing. Honestly, SoFi's movement to me, it doesn't even fully make sense. Is there a reason for a call on sound? Like, tell me why you're looking at a call on sound, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. I feel like I expend too much brain power trying to, cause if you wanted to tell me a stock's going to go up, I can find evidence that it's going up and that it's going down. So, tell me why you're looking at it, and I can tell you if I can see it. But it's I don't know. Danielle, good morning. Done for the day. Have a QQQ put. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Brandon, good morning. If we hold under, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it looks like we kind of came down to. Oh, we actually touched 643. But yeah, that keep kind of coming from there. But it looks like we should have got a. Oh wait, hold on, wrong time frame or chart. Oh, hold up. Yeah, we could reverse right here, cause it's this would be the confirmation candle, but it has a slight bullish tilt. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're done though, cause that's still pretty close to a indecision candle. So I just wouldn't call it confirmation to the downside yet. So yeah, we'll want to see what happens here. Stan, top of the morning. Yeah, let's try to move this on though. Is today Thursday? All right. good news equals bad news, I guess. Yeah, I don't even know. It all just comes down to the charts. It's like when I look at stuff, I'm like, oh, everything played out how it's supposed to. Okay, hold up. I might have to. It will come down to a 5. See how this is. Oh, I'm down on my put now. We'll see what happens here. All right, let's see. George, good morning. Oh yeah, Wolf. Hey, yeah, Wolf went off. It's crazy. That's why it's good to be a shareholder. It's like you never know exactly when that stuff's gonna happen, but yeah, it's good to be a shareholder because that stuff can happen at any point, and timing is difficult. All right. Think I got in trouble this morning. Got an alert to try one call contract on the SPY. Hit 646 today. It was my first time trying it. Super nervous. Think I'm cooked. Hey, I think I might be getting burned on that zero DTE I got. Yeah, I'm gonna let it rock because this downtrend is not holding. 643.78 bottom of VWAP. The market thinks the Fed won't cut interest rates because of the PPI and unemployment rates came in good. Let's check the Fed watch tool real quick. Let's see what's it looking like right now. So now, when is this for? This is for September. So what is? Okay, so that's still like a 25 rate cut. Let's see if we go out a month. Still see 2 points. And then to December, that's the same, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like the whole time I've been looking at the market, I feel like we've kind of been chopping around. Like I got in over here, then it kind of like slowed down. We kind of got to pull back. Now we're trying to pull back up. I don't know what's up. I'll see if we retest this trend line to the downside, but this one, oh well, actually let's go to a 15. We'll see what happens. That's the reason for the knee-jerk sell-off. Oh yeah, it doesn't even make sense to me. Like I saw Tesla earlier today. Tesla looked like it was doing well. $644.25 call area for sure. Oh yeah, I'm not getting any more positions. So I have calls that I picked up today. I have a put I picked up today. Um, Really, the worst thing for me is if we don't move, but we'll kind of see what happens. I kind of hope we move up. Like I'd be 100% cool with the put just dying. So if we wanna blast off, that's cool with me. But I'm still gonna hold that put. That's almost like insurance on the day for me. scooping up some honest. Hey, I think it's what where are they at today? I know it's a good. I would say it's a good like wherever it's been the past few days. It's been a good time for it. But let's see, honest at 388. Yeah, it's a good level for it. Good area for it for sure. Only got 20 shares of Wolf at 550. Was waiting for retrace and get 100. Hey, at least you got what you got though. The portfolios are going up if we go up. Double indemnity. Hey, let me hey for real. Let's let me check in on my ooh, portfolio looking red today. Let me check on my wife's. Yeah, she got a little red too. Yep, okay. Got some red in there. Okay, it's not just me. Doesn't really seem like that red of the day, but I looked at my portfolio. I'm like, ooh, it's red, but I still feel like we're at some high levels. Hammer C. Uh, I am hopeful. Wait, okay. Open is moving. Ooh, when I look back on open charts, I don't like it. Yeah, it did kind of run today. Let's see if what do analysts think about oh, okay, it's actually rated a strong buy on the technicals. Oh, analyst ratings say strong. Okay, that's technicals. Okay. I'm hopeful that the SPY downtrend will not persist. Observing your work has been quite educational and appreciate your insights. Also sold 100 shares of. Hey, good stuff. Hey, way to get the money. It's good stuff, Patrick. All right, y'all. Give me a moment. I gotta like run out and grab something real quick just to prepare something. I got like some Facebook Marketplace deals going on, and I just want to be able to make it be like quick. So I'll be right back. Where are my keys? Yeah, I'll be back. All right, we back. We are back. Okay. Hey, Meta trying to pull back closer to the area I bought a call at. Be cool if Nvidia did that too. Jojo, top of the morning. Lucky J, what's up? Oh, you said it was my first time doing that also. Hey, well, congrats on the first. Hey, a little early morning success. Patrick, hey, thanks for sharing the wealth. Appreciate you. Big time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, also, just uh just just like a recommendation. Anytime anyone like donates or anything, first off, thank you so much. I appreciate it. It would be really cool if y'all could like I honestly don't know how it goes, but like whenever y'all gift memberships, it's like the exact same thing. And then that gives other people kind of access to some of the little stuff that goes on like on the like the little watch list and stuff that goes out on the channel every morning that not everyone can see. And it's cool that people can see that. So just something, just a little something for y'all. All right, but let's see. Yes, thank you, Patrick. Let's see. What's your mindset on accumulating shares? Do you try to get? I I want to like 100, 200 shares, but also there are stocks where I'm like, oh, that's likely not happening, or at least not with the amount I'm investing right now. But it's like, let me just continuously dollar cost average because it's like if I see a stock going up like a lot, I've just being in the stock market since late 2018, I've seen several stock splits. Like there was a point in time I had like Tesla at 140, but 140 was probably the equivalent to maybe like I don't know, it might be like 40 or 50 Tesla shares right now. And that was 140 and let's say 50 shares of Tesla at 300. So it's like say I have 10 shares of AMD right now. That's a stock I can see doing several stock splits in the future. So it's like I just get what I can, the companies I want. I just like invest what I can at a regular basis. I think it's cool like when I got honest, I got like 100 shares. If I got the cash just chilling right there and I'm like I would like 100 shares of this cuz I think this will go up in the future, I'll do that too cuz I got honest close to a $4 average, and it's like that's a stock that I can see being at least $20. So I would say at that point, even if it's like chilling around $20 and it decides to start paying out a dividend, that's one I can sell premium on in the future. So it's like not every stock has the same purpose, but they're just kind of different ways I look at different positions. Marvin, top of the morning. Do you wait for a dip or 25% of the total market amount? Most of the time I dollar cost average. So the stocks I really like, I dollar cost average into, and then I don't throw everything I can when I'm dollar cost averaging. I like I will invest more on dips. Like if I'm like, oh, this is a really good level, I will throw more money in. But usually I just kind of dollar cost average every day. And really my thing is like I kind of just make it automatic. Like it's automatic. I don't think too much about it. And I just make sure I have the money there. Do you wait for a dip? Oh wait, okay. Okay. Uh, all right, so SPY still below that Still below that EMA. I'm gonna like get rid of this downtrend, this little trend line. Cause as of right now, we still got a high, low. We got a lower high. So we'll see what happens. Oh, let me make sure I lock my door. Oh yeah, it's locked. What's the wait? Okay. Yeah, Philip, you have been talking about it for quite some time. Quite some time. You were the first person I thought about whenever. Who brought it up today? Who brought it up? Let's see. Was it IQ So Real? Brought it up. All right. What's the yellow EMA on your chart? So the yellow EMA is the 48 EMA. The blue is the 13. And if you see a purple one on there, not the one that's down here in this area, but when you see a purple like this one, that's going to be the 200. I might leave that on for now. Because now I'm looking at it. This morning we pulled back like... That was also pre-market support. But wait, what time was that? Yeah. Okay, so actually no. I drew this because of this. So this morning we pulled back to the 200 EMA on the 15. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there for now. And let me also go on and kind of add an alert on the 200 EMA. So if I playing with my emotions, hey, it's the market makers. That's what they do. All right, pulling back a little bit on the SPY. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what to say. We're chilling. Yeah, SoFi. Yeah, we'll take a look at SoFi for M cents. I feel like SoFi is like a start of the day kind of mover. All right, so SoFi. Hold up, hold up. This was 7 a.m. Honestly, I think SoFi had this bullish range. So SoFi is in a bullish range, but they're pulling back. So just kind of looking at SoFi right now, they have some liquidity at this like 2310 area. They're currently below it, and it looks like they did kind of here. Let's what happened on the 15. They did okay, so they did come and they did push up to like 2396. So now they're just coming down. Um, see if we can extend this trend line. All right. 643.34 is a price target, maybe? Hey, we'll see. We'll see. D's curve, top of the morning. Yeah, it looks, hey, we're looking pretty red right now. Pretty red. Hold on, I'm gonna actually just, I'm gonna get rid of this meta. I'm not trying to even think about that. I'm gonna just take my L on that. The value is I'm not gonna let that just go down like that. Oh, let me update the family. Out of meta at 178 per share. I did something different. Let me shoot a screenshot so people know what I'm talking about. Real quick, let's see. Did the same thing for NVIDIA. Just exited NVIDIA calls. And that would be at like 36. Did the same thing as with Meta. All right. If for some reason we go crazy tomorrow in the market, I will get my money back though. All right, let's see. Wolf rocketed it up. So yeah, D-Scurb, did you have anything with it? Next could be 43. Hey, I'm hoping we I would like to see us get back to this 200 EMA or back to where this trend started at 641. because that's ideally what you look for at the break of a trend line. But sometimes it's just a fake out on a higher trend line. Okay, I see you, family. Okay, we're turning off the ads. Let's get it. Hold up. Let's see. All right. Hey, no more ads during the stream unless you click off and come back on. All right, let's see. I'm looking at your AMD charts. You said that's an engulfing. Wait, what? Where are we? Hold up. Where'd the comment just go? What just happened to the comment? Oh, looking at your AMD charts, that's an. If so, it doesn't get. I don't see an engulfing candle. So engulfing is typically going to be like a candle of, like, they're going to be two different candles. So like if I don't, do we have any engulfing candles over here? I don't know. We might have to pull it up, but I don't see an engulfing candle. So like if this were solid black, and then like the way this one comes down, and or let's say if this candle were blue and this one were like just completely black, that would be engulfing. Or like if the body of this candle was black and then this part was blue and the body was like up here, that would be an engulfing candle. Oh, we're below 643. Let's go. 642.75. Hey, I want us to get to 642.29. Or I think 28 is my break even. We may get a bounce here. Hey, it's all part of the game. As long as we keep making lower lows and lower highs, it's all chill. Got profit on the put. Let me see. I should be in profit. Yeah, I'm up 38%. Paid 72 for a 643 put, and now it's at 140. A dollar. It's at $1 per share. Got Pierre. I just got out of my meta call. I legit bought it at the high. So I'm gonna take that off so you don't get confused. But no, I'm not in a meta call. But it did look good. I think it still might look good. Like if you watched my watch list this morning, I was saying when it touched here, I was like, oh, this is probably a good point. Because we had this trend line, and like Meta still looks like it could take off. We're at the beginning part of this candle, so maybe once the SPY pulls back, maybe we can actually maybe we can come up again. But yeah, as of right now, it's pulling on back. Philip, I like it. Also would like the S&P to come back after our quick profit too, though. I don't know. Yeah, that would be lovely. Yeah, let it do what it does. It would have been nicer if it wanted to just come straight down. Like if it wanted to come down real quick, touch this 641 area, and then do its thing, that would have been lovely. I feel kind of tight. Respecting supply at 643. That's a really low time frame. Yeah, because on the 5, I see I see supply up at 643.81 on a 5 minute, so you must be on a really low time frame. Had a call on Wolf, but closed out before the boom. Palantir's dropping. Here, let's see. Oh, there goes SPY again. Trying to hold on up. Let's see. Did I put Palantir on my watch list this morning? I feel like I might have. I think there was something I was like looking out for. Oh yeah, they're below that level. Cause Palantir was looking good. Like to me, they were looking good. Like I don't know. It's like I'm hesitant, but they look really good for downside to me. Like I think they're just gonna like fall off a cliff. Like they're like similar to what I was saying about a trend line. Yo, we got this one on Palantir down to like 154. It's just I don't know how direct their trip to that level is going to be. So it's like I still don't quite have the account size to be messing with it like that. Hold on. All right, let's see. The SoFi 50 EMA on the 4 hour looks strong. Also respects that quite a bit. Usually see big reversals from there. SPY bounces. Insane pullbacks. Trump speaking at 1 p.m. That it could, and it also could be nothing. Let's see what he's supposed to be talking about, or if it shows. Here, let's see. All right, dude speaking. So it says he's speaking on a broad range of subjects. Let me refresh and see. Yeah, it still says broad range of subjects. So we'll have to just watch the headlines, see if we get anything. Buddha Dev, top of the morning. Still trying to sell down on the SPY. We'll take this. We will take it. Here, I'm gonna slide this little support level up a little higher. There we go. Probably about his meeting with Putin in Alaska tomorrow. Will probably be one of the mini top or subjects. Oh, it's crazy how much SPY can just push up, or how fast SPY can push up. It's not even that crazy a volume, but yeah. So that's like a little low volume push up. That's market makers at work. Not too much going on right now. Take one of these. Amazon paying today on calls. Dang. I don't even like we crossed their bullish, but like I don't even necessarily see a actual here. I don't know if they have a catalyst. So they got a buy rating, expanded same day grocery delivery to over 2,300 locations. Prime free to Prime members on order. Really? Really? I just got this HEB right by my house, and this is what they want to do? Really? Money, 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 money. Oh, my goodness. Hey, these restaurants, they're about to go out of business by me. Okay, let's go. Analysts expect Amazon's new delivery service to boost its market share in perishables and enhance. Yo, where my sticky notes at? Gotta write down Amazon. I have to may consider dollar cost averaging into that again. That's money. Yes. Beautiful. All right. Amazon is the robotic stock. I saw something about Apple trying to get into robotics and all that. So that's going to be the new race. What is what was that stock? I think it's under $2 right now. It should still be in my watch list. Where's the stock? I think it was a robotics company. Bro, where's it at? It was in my watch list for sure. It was like last time I saw it was like 180. Maybe it's not on my watch list right now. It's probably in one of my watch lists. Serve is one. Yeah, Serve came to mind. See, my thing, there's too many. Yeah, it's like too many for me. You said you're about to buy the SPY. Um, really buy the SPY like that. I just I have a put on the SPY, but no, I don't think I'm making any other moves on the SPY today. I hear you. There's a lot. Best stick to. Yeah. Nah, but it's like I also like the idea of scooping like the idea of grabbing some what is it? Yeah, also like the idea of grabbing some cheaper ones at like 100, or like grabbing 100 shares of like some that could be something in the future. What do you think of getting call option contracts with 1 year or two? I think it depends on the stock. I think it depends on the chart, honestly. If you're doing it in like a demand zone or at like a key level, I'm like, cool. But sometimes 1 year may not be enough. It just depends. Like if it's just like depending on what time frame you see it on, that's going to be a big determinant for me. That's what it is. Rich Tech Robotics. That's what it was. I don't know why it's not on my watch list anymore. That was the stock. Wait, it says it is on my watch list. Bro, did I really just go past that? Like I don't see it. Bro, I really don't see it, but yeah, that was one I was looking at. Oh, it's okay, it's above for the longest it was at like 180. Okay, it went on a little run, okay. But yeah, that one's kind of like this is one like I would just scoop some up right now. Grab like 1 or 200 shares and it's like, okay. Yeah, I've seen it open. I don't oh I don't love the history on it. It's like the history of that chart kind of scares me. Like if we so this is Rich Tech. Then if we look at open, it's like the fundamentals of the company may have completely changed, but yeah, I'm just scary. But honestly, at these levels, this might be one. I might throw a go for 100 shares and like just leave them alone and do it in my Roth. Yeah, cause it's like I think I invest here. Let me see, maybe like 30 or 40 a year, or 30 or 40 a day. Oh, hold up. So no, I will hit my limit. No, the limit's like 7,000. Nah, so I still got like $1,000 I can just throw on some like random stuff. I think I kind of did that with. Nah. So I think I got like $600. I can throw some random stuff at in the Roth. I'm just waiting for stuff to get nasty. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use my gains from Wolf to DCA more into KULR after earnings today. How are they doing? I know they have not been doing well. Oh yeah, they had that reverse split. I was like, I think I had 11. Oh yeah, 402 or whatnot. All right, so I gained over 100% with Nvidia a couple months back with 2 to 3 week expiration, but kept gambling in the wrong direction and lost it. Hey, I know what that's like. But hey, as long as you learn from it, then it was worth it. It's just part of the game, unfortunately. You got to go through those lows to experience the highs. And Intel, Intel needs to, I don't know, Intel needs to do something. Like Intel's kind of, they're just there. He said, thanks. They're getting beat down, but I think more than they deserve. I do not watch them close enough to be able to tell you how much they deserve, but yeah, they are definitely taking a beating. But they're still doing pretty well as opposed to where they were in November of last year. Yeah, from November, they're still up over 100%. And then if we go to August, we're in August now, so like year over year, they provided some pretty good returns for their investors. Yes, sir. Here, let's see. Volume's really low right now. Here, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit on the SPY. All right, so we're still stringing the blues, or still stringing the blacks on the 4 hour, 1 hour. We're pulling on back. What is this? Why do I have this here? Get rid of that. On the 30-minute, kind of consolidating. I would love to see us just rip through the floor. I might just let Robinhood do his thing today with this SPY put. I think I'll still be all right. I'll still have something for it. Watching Tesla, liking how TSLL is looking. I wonder how that put I had earlier this week on Tesla is doing. I think I think I got out around like 333, so it's probably like down a lot. I think it was like a 220 put or 320 put, my bad. Yeah, I got out like over here earlier and it's like just now past that. Hey, but it's making progress. I want to start putting into contracts again, maybe occasionally when I start saving up more, just buy pricey 1 year contracts little by little and just hold on to them. Hey, I heard that. Oh, let me zoom back in on the SPY. What's the situation? As of right now, still got lower lows and lower highs. Let's see if we get a lower low in, because right now we're just consolidating in this lower range. I don't know if I have time to read the charts in depth like you do. So yes, if you're trying to get time. Oh no, if you're talking about like day trading and stuff, no, that's different. I wouldn't have time for this either. Like the way I like to live my life. If this wasn't also a great way for me to kind of reach a good amount of people, I wouldn't have time to be doing all this. But it's like I'm also able to educate and kind of like connect with people, so I see there's value in this. But no, otherwise I'd be on the 4 hour chart, and it's like I would maybe spend like 15 to 20 minutes charting, looking at all the different charts. Not even necessarily every day. It's just like whenever a level got hit or whatnot. So yeah, it's like the higher the time frame you trade on, the less monitoring you need to do. It's kind of nice. But wind turbine technician, that's cool. Do you swing trade options or just day trade them? I do both. If you look at the last video I put on YouTube like yesterday, that was a swing trade. When traders say they don't buy the top, does that mean the top of the current candle or current price? If the next candle, it kind of depends. Uh, yeah, it depends. Like the top could be the top of the market, like kind of where we are now. It depends on your time frame. It's like when you have a trend, like if we're looking at this trend right here, you can see, oh, we got a low, we got a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now the direction kind of changed. If you're not going to buy the top, what you're not going to do is, whether it's an uptrend or downtrend, when it's on the high part of the trend, you're not going to buy that. You're going to buy on the pullback to the downside, because the market does not move in a straight line. So if I were buying AMD, the high would be over here in this like 185 area, and now after waiting for that, this would be when I decided to buy AMD if I were going to continuously buy it. So not at the high of the trend. What time frames are these charts? This top left one is a 5 minute. the middle top one is 4 hour, top right 4 hour, bottom left 15. Most of them are 4 hours. I prefer to be on the 4 hour to kind of have a bird's eye view of what's going on, and if there is something that I'm watching shorter, I'll drop down to a smaller time frame. Meta Meta is just there. I can honestly have that one on the 4 hour. So most of these are on the 4 hour, except for the SPY right now. Ten four. Is that code for something? I feel like that means something. All right. Looks like, hey, we could be on our way to another lower low. Let's see what the case is here. Means okay, that's sounds when I said I feel like it means something, that sounds like exactly what it means. I just wasn't exactly sure what it meant, but okay. Yeah. Appreciate you some way someday. Also like the name. Military cop language. We had a lot of people from the military at the Amazon I worked at. I think it was like all the people that most people like got discharged like for disability or whatever, or got disability. So they like oh, I guess they ended up working at Amazon. And yeah, so I think there was a lot of that there too. I would hear it on the whenever I had a walkie. What do you recommend to buy and hold? Whatever you like. There are thousands of stocks, but I'm not a financial advisor, so legally I cannot make recommendations. It's like there are things I buy and hold, but also you and I are likely different ages, and we likely have different like risk tolerances, different goals, different situations. So what I should buy and hold versus what you should buy and hold may be completely different. And it's like me, my buy and hold, I'm probably not going to be looking at the stocks as closely as somebody asking me. So all right, it's like I'm gonna be looking at the stocks, but I'm at a point where I'm not worried about it. It's like I know that stocks typically go up and to the left. You said what do I hold? So right now the ones I'm like buying into on a regular, AMD and Adobe. I also here let me look at this. Got AMD, Adobe, some Google, SoFi. What else we got on here? I feel like there's a I don't know. I have Elf, Estee Lauder, Honest, um, Nike. Oh, I just oh, I got stocks. I got stocks I like, companies I like, companies I think will do well. break, pull back, retest, and continuation off the 3. We'll see. I'm not trying to like call it play by play because it's like that'll honestly mentally exhaust me. Honestly, looks like it could like pull back up. It looks like it might be like it could be rearing to go up as long as it's consolidating right here. That's something they like to play, but we'll see what happens. What are key advices you'd recommend to keep in mind for buying tech stocks? Buy at supply or demand. So I would personally, if you haven't watched these 7 videos, I would watch these videos and the the link I just put in the chat, like that's a complete like playlist. I would that's like watch that. I think you will have understanding on what you should be doing, like the time frames and everything. It's like I just buy at support or I just buy at like old key levels. So it's like look back, find a key level that has not been visited yet or revisited yet, and like whenever it gets there, yo, that looks like a good buy point. It's like buy at levels where it's like, yo, this is the market is being irrational right now. This is a stupid price. Like there are times when the market gets so fearful that you can see that the actual value of the company may have more cash in its balance sheet than it's actually worth. So it's like in times like that, you're getting the company for a steal because the company has value and then they also have this much cash just chilling. So it's like whenever you see mismatched prices or severely underweighted rated companies or undervalued companies, that's what I would say. What's your thoughts on this downward move on CoreWeave? I think an opportunity is occurring, but it's like kind of gotta see what ends up happening. Oh wait, hold up, wrong chart. Or see where it ends up going. Let's see. Yeah, so it's come back to this level, but there's I don't know, it looks like there's a lot of areas that it think it's a much needed pullback. I'm personally of the belief it needs to pull back, make its way back to this $47 area first. I mean, it may not come straight there. It could bounce before that, but I think it needs to come back there before or at some point. Hey, some way, someday, I'm gonna be real. The first one's it's a little long, but it's all like very important information. Hit that like button. Yeah, that's a great idea right there. Kodak faces struggles even as Gen Z sparks film resurgence. All right, so SPY coming back up. It's coming back up to that 200 EMA on the 5. Yeah, SPY is playing around. think 100 is new support on CoreWeave. CoreWeave looked like CrowdStrike for a second. I was about to dump everything. Oh, hey, yeah, that'd be hey, once again with the mismatched prices, hey, opportunity when you see it. The market is having a hissy fit right now. I think Powell isn't going to give. We'll see. We'll see. Honestly, like when they said the 50 basis point thing, I'm like, whoa. I definitely got excited when I heard that. So I would say that's understandable. That sounded crazy. SPY above 644 today. Good. Bro, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if the SPY just chills here. It's moved enough. It's captured enough liquidity. It's probably trapped enough people. Me being included in that. They're probably like, oh yeah, we're doing just great. We've taken enough people's money. EL thoughts. What kind of thoughts are you looking for? It's I like it long term. Like I own I own some shares of EL. I love that it pays out a dividend, and I feel like there is plenty of growth to be had, like in the price. So I personally feel like it's a you said price range to buy. I think it depends on how old and how long you plan on holding it. Because if you look at Estee Lauder, I would say it's been an amazing time to buy it for. Let's see how long. Let's see. Cause I'm gonna say Estee Lauder right now. It's like sure it's not as nice as when it was like I think it may have got to 50 at one point. Let's see. Where's it at? I don't know. I'll just type it in. Yeah, it's like yeah, it got down to like ooh, it touched 48, but it's like yo, it's down here. It's like zoom out. Even if it never touches as high again, I can still see it getting to 200. So it's like depending on how long you're cool with like staying in this for. Say it ran up to $200 tomorrow. Would you not be upset that you weren't buying it when it was at 88? It's like I'm not buying into this right now, but I still think it's a good trade or a good stock to hold. And my average cost, I actually have it in multiple accounts. Let me see. My average cost on this account is like $69. Average cost on this account, yeah, that's about 69 too. But I'm just I'm not buying into it anymore, but I still think it's a great level to buy in, so I can't give you a price range. I'm just going to say this is money. And now, especially now that they've broken their downtrend on the weekly, they likely have much more upside to be had. It's just going to be a game of patience. I got lucky and gained everything. I lost in QQQ call with the QQQ put today. After everything is a win. Plus Wolf money, baby. Very welcome. All right. Spy looks like it's doing me dirt. Oh, this woman didn't even tell me she was on her way. All right, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm about to cut out a spy though too. But yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. back. Okay, let's see what we missed. All right, so I was like looking at the chart while my computer, or while I was going downstairs, and oh no, I'm still in it. All right, let's see. What was the last thing? Okay. I'm new here. What do you offer in your Patreon? So my Patreon, I just share my trades, and like I have a watch list. Like I just give support and resistance levels every morning. See profit, take profit. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Dropped at the 1 o'clock can at this level. 12 o'clock candle at this level was a royal flush. Maybe we get over it. We'll see. Alright, so pushing up. I think I'm just gonna like leave my stuff. If it gets nasty, I'll be alright. If things get really good, I'll be alright. Yeah, I kind of got stuff that'll end up being okay. I think the worst thing we can do is not move anywhere. But that's what the market likes to do a lot. So Kong, I'm not clear I understand the market structure on the 4-hour time frame. On the SPY, so it's kind of choppy. So right now the range on the SPY on the 4-hour, the lower end is going to be 635. The upper end is going to be 646. Everything in between that is just a bunch of back and forth. So right now, there's not too much to understand. Right now, it looks like there was liquidity on the 4-hour. I would say at this kind of 642, 68 area. We came down and swept it in the pre-market, and we also came back to retest it. But actually, I would think that we're coming back for this 646 high. Hey, maybe I throw in a little cheap little call for tomorrow too. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that actually made me want to close out my put. So I'm gonna close out that put. All right, so yeah, I closed out of the SPY put at 28, took a loss. And I'm gonna actually jump on the call side real fast. Let me check the delta. Yeah, I'm gonna grab. Yeah, I grabbed a 645 that expires tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna let that ride. Here, we can add that real quick. Let's see. So yeah, I grabbed this one. Oh, wrong one. There we go. So should have been quicker with the SPY earlier today. That's why you want to trade with the trend. That's why I'm usually more hesitant trading downside when the overall trend is up. Oh, hold up. Shared the wrong picture. Just picked up a SPY. What was that? 645. What did I pay for it? 162 per share. There we go. All right, let's see. What everybody say? 12 o'clock candle at this level was around. Okay, wait, okay. I'm not, okay, thanks. Could it go in the after hours? Could what go where? Is open about to do the thing, or is this about to dip? What is the thing? Oh, the SPY call? Yeah, it can go in the after hours. It can go there before too. But yeah, if you understand candles and whatnot, like me seeing this on the 4 hour, that's why I was like, oh yeah, let me close my puts. But like seeing this on the 4 hour, when you see we pulled back to the 13 EMA, we came a little bit below it, but we can see there is a lot of, all this is buying pressure. All of this is buying pressure. And here, I'm gonna actually take this. I'm gonna set my alert like up there, or maybe like up there, just so I know ahead of time. But yeah, all that's buying pressure. What SPY trade did you just take? Just so y'all know, y'all can like always go back a few seconds and see. But this is a SPY call I have. Like, so yeah, it expires tomorrow. I'm still good, possibly at 646. Aim learning as you speak on it, much anticipated. Oh, I'm learning as you speak on it. Got you. Right, I forget I can go. Hey, no worries, no worries. But yeah, honestly, yeah, I hope we come up. Hope we gap up big tomorrow. It's like honestly, if we come up here before the end of the day on SPY or like get up here, I'll probably end up like making that trade free the way I do that. But I hope we're up a lot tomorrow just because of the meta and the Nvidia that I had. But I'm doubtful that the Nvidia will do anything because of doubtful about the Nvidia just because of the fact that what is it? It's in it. It's I think it's going to be in this range till earnings. The analysis for Nvidia is the exact same for the SPY, or no, the Linus the analysis for Nvidia is the exact same as it was yesterday. Nothing has changed on Nvidia. It's still in the same range. We're on the in the same time frame. So I kind of did the analysis on Nvidia. Nvidia is actually in a bearish range, but it's consolidating. So there's nothing new from what I told you yesterday on Nvidia. Let's see. Got a SPY 648 call up 15. Hey, good stuff. I hope that ends up in the money tomorrow. I'm up 13 on the one I got, but thinking about swinging an Amazon call into tomorrow. Amazon has good momentum right now, so that very well could, like on the 4 hour, Amazon's looking good. Like they are looking very good. So I would not fight that. It could pay off. Only thing I would look out for is just a loss of momentum because they likely have an elevated IV. So from today till tomorrow, it could drop and you could lose value due to that, but it does look good. When is liquidity on 4 hours? It has to be a green. Liquidity, no, it just depends on the trend. So there's liquidity both ways. So um, this is liquidity up here as well. Like this, here, let me slide this over. The top of this candle, this is liquidity as well. This is liquidity. The color of the candle doesn't matter. Just like whenever you see a big wick, that's liquidity. Hold up, y'all. Gotta throw this food in the oven real quick. All good. Should be ready in like 20 minutes. My bad. I'm hoping SPY reaches 646.34 by the close of trading today. It's possible. Did you have something that expired today, Patrick? If it does, you will more than likely be sold out of that contract around like 30 minutes, maybe even a little before 30 minutes before it close. So just be aware of that because they do like to sell you out of the contracts. I think last Friday I had like a one that would have made me some money. They sold me out at like a $8 loss. But I think I probably would have made like, yeah, it probably would have been like a $60 profit on that contract. I apologize. Today was my first entry trading on the SPY. Okay. What options? I made a lot today. Yes. So on stream, I got a SPY put that I probably should have taken profit out on around like 40%, but I took a loss on it, and now I'm in a SPY call, and the SPY call is up like just below 10%. So that's pretty much it. Thank you, Sarah. I haven't done one today because I'm not sure. Yeah, today is a very weird kind of day. Yeah, I'm negative 58.82. So likely to expire worthless. Is it a call? It's a call, right, Patrick? So like if I were in a call right now, oh, we got like a nice little uptrend. We got like upward momentum right now. It may benefit you to sell early and get what value you have from it, but also, sometimes the market does crazy things. So I don't know. Anella, hello, made it in time to smash the. Hey, appreciate that, Anella. Big time appreciate that. Okay, pushing up on the SPY a little bit. Trying. Yeah, we'll see if we get to the point where the momentum slows, but I would say whenever the momentum kind of slows or whenever we start consolidating on this, it might not be the worst idea to kind of like cut for a loss just because of the fact that it's like a little bit is better than not getting anything back. But right now we're pushing, so it's still looking all right. I think this contract's about to. What, I got a 645? Yeah, it's almost in the money. You said how many more minutes? I have no idea. Uh, but you have 2 hours until they start selling you out of contracts. But just know as time goes on throughout the day, since it expires today, it's gonna also lose value due to time. Hold on, y'all. I gotta call my wife. All right, y'all. I am. I didn't go anywhere, but I'm back. I just my wife is having. Oh, she doesn't understand certain things, so I have to help her. All right, so we're pushing, kinda. We're like right at 645. It'll be cool if we decide to run. I just go on a little run here, but the contracts and the money, um, yeah, it's in the money. I know most traders love to trade the first. I don't. Yeah, I don't like the first. I don't like the first 2 hours, or at least not on stream. I don't like to stream the first 2 hours because first off, I like to say what's up to everybody. I like to read everyone's messages and all that. And a lot of y'all that come in here, y'all like to be like, yo, you see this, you see this, you see this, and it's like there's way too much going on. Like the charts move too fast, stocks move too fast, so it can be a good time to get some money, but you got to be focused on one thing and you have to kind of go with that. I like coming in when I come in because it's slower and I'm able to, usually the market is setting up for other better opportunities that are like slower and like more obvious for me. So this is, I feel like, the best of both worlds when it comes to being something that can be watched, but also something where I can get money as well. So that's kind of how that's why I trade at this time. Like the first couple hours it is like you do get volume and speed, but it happens too fast. And it's like a lot of times I'll like be reading one of y'all's questions and then it's like, "Oh, I missed my move." About to buy that spot. So I Oh, I've already been in the SPY call. I was like, I think I bought the SPY call like maybe about 50 cents ago. So hopefully it takes off, but let's see. I made it. Sorry, still have to do. Hey, nothing wrong with getting a little work in. Appreciate you stopping by, Mass 3DRC. Hey, right on time. Yeah. So we're at this 544.98 level. I'm on the 2 minute. We're consolidating on the 2. What we look like on the 5. Let's see the 10, 15. Oh, we got like some liquidity right up here on the at this I'm not sure if this was created liquidity or sweep. Let's go to the 30 1 hour. I do most of my trading at work. They know what I'm doing. I just like I know they're playing Contexto and other games. What is Contexto? What do you think about meta on the 5 minute? What are you looking for meta on the 5 minute? It's consolidating. Yeah, it's consolidating. So ideally, with consolidation, it's either getting ready for a move up or down. But just going off my bias from earlier on this 4 hour, I would expect meta to be moving up. That's why that meta contract I had earlier, or I guess I still kind of have, it's a spread now. I still think there's a solid chance of me getting paid. Are you holding that spot? We'll see. If I can honestly, I might just if I can make it free, I'm gonna make it free. Yeah, it's up like 21. What I paid 646.62. Or no, I paid 162. Nah, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to let go. I would like for it to push up. Like I would love to see it at 645.50 or so I can just scoot on out of there, but we'll have to see what kind of momentum we get. You said no bull flag. That's not really something I don't know. It's like I would say this is a bullish pattern, but you got this up here. You pull all the way back here. I really like maybe I don't know. It looks weird to me. I'm not like a pattern kind of trader. Because it's like I see the 5 minute range is down to this like 782 area. And like I see consolidation. So it's getting ready for a move, but I can't necessarily fully tell you which way. But my thing is it doesn't matter if it's a bull flag or not, as long as you can kind of tell where it's going. So like to me, I personally wouldn't think this was a flag because personally, the flag, like the body of the flag, is usually like a lot bigger than the actual like flag part in my eyes. But it could be. That's one thing I don't like about chart patterns is because so many people describe them so many ways, and it's like there's not like an exact look to them. It's like I like a proper yes and no. But a lot of the chart patterns are kind of like, it could be, but there's also this other one that looks a lot like it. And they could be completely different things. So I jump around on different time frames. And the 5 minutes a pretty weak time frame too. Contexto is a word guessing game. New word every day. Oh, okay. Free means up on. No. Free means I sold a different contract against it. And now I have a spread from the trade. We are grateful for your attentiveness as you are exceptionally perceptive in most situations. You normally judge a lot. Oh. Said I'm writing it out. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. I like to hope we can come for this liquidity up at 645.55, but we'll see. SPY slowly going down. It's just part of the trend though. Like it's this slowly going down is just a pullback in the trend, so it's not anything that should be worrisome, honestly, unless you just don't have any time left. Thanks. Sorry, so short. I'm driving. Up $10 in the medical. Oh, you're driving. Oh yes. Would not recommend trading and driving. That's stress on stress. Yeah, it is. That's very interesting. That's for sure. To do spreads on Robinhood, I have to. Yes, that's I don't like you'll never hear me recommending that y'all do any spreads or anything like that, because if you do it wrong, you can mess yourself up. And it's like I have older videos on my channel on how to create them that are like, yo, do this exact thing, like watch how I do it. But it's like I don't like really doing those videos because people, oh, they like mess themselves up with that. Like it's like I legit show exactly how to do it, and people aren't like paying close enough attention. It's like I'm not going fast or anything, and it's like people like mess themselves up, and it's like, oh, I ended up in a credit spread when I was trying to do a debit spread, and then all of a sudden it's going against them. All right, now we're pulling back on this buy. It's selling off a little bit. Bro, they're playing games. Bought that 640. Oh, hold up. Food's done. I got a 645 that expires tomorrow, not today, just for the record. right, cool. Looks like we found a little bit of support right there. That's good. That's what I was hoping would happen. You know, it likes to pull back, make you think it's gonna die, and then right when you sell out, it's like, oh, nah, we're gonna keep going up. But yeah, this is a higher low right now. Hopefully. Let's see. You get used to it. One eye on the road. Other. That's not anything. I think we should getting used to. Hey, y'all need I think it'll be a good thing whenever cars can drive themselves better. Cause yo, people, bro, it happens too much here in Texas. It's like all these accidents and stuff. Bro, people on their phones, people texting. And I'm personally not I'm personally not with it. I'm somebody that's very cautious, and bro, it'd be killing me when I see people on the road. I'm like, yo, why are they driving like that? And it's like I'll speed past them. I'm like, oh, of course they're on their phone. So it's like yeah, I don't know. Hoopla, CVS. What about CVS? I need more context. This pizza hot. I've seen people reading books while driving on the interstate. Bro, for real. No, but no, it's so bad. Like for real. Like bro, I had a friend driving me, and the homie's like, hold up. Homie started to get on like TikTok, like while he's driving. I'm like, yo, why are you on TikTok? Like you got music, you got a person right here. It's like, yo, do you need to be that stimulated to drive? I'm like, yo, I could drive. Like, there's no reason the passenger in the passenger seat should be paying more attention to the road than you are. It's like, bro, what's happening to our attention spans? It's insane. Like it's wild. Like we really need to do what we can to protect our attention spans. The book wide open on the steering wheel, unreal. No, yeah, that's kind of wild. And with me, I don't know. That's some real focus right there to be able to focus on a book. Cause it's like I look away, I lose the words like immediately. So you can just, what city you in Texas? Prosper. So just think Dallas suburb. I'm exaggerating, but it's getting bad. A few times, no one pulled off because they were all on their phones. I was second car, both cars in front and one on the side, all on phones. We go. Oh no, nah, see, it's like, yo, if you're not going to if you're not going to pay attention, bro, at least get a car that alerts you, like the Tesla. When the light turns green, it'll do like a little beep or let you know, and it's chill. Like it's like yo, pay for something that's gonna have those features to assist you in staying alive. It's like it's one thing if you're taking the risk for like your on your life, but it's like there are other people out there too. I like see way too many accidents, man. It's crazy. I legit have a video on my phone of Like one day I'm just driving home from run club. There's a car just like it's just straight on fire, just burning. Like I'm not even sure. Like it didn't even look like if there was anything in there, it wasn't getting out. It was. It's been a minute. Did you take anything today? I'm in a call on the spy right now, but that's yeah. I probably took more than I should have. No, I got what you meant, Rich. I know what you meant. It's all good. Welcome back. Has been a minute. You said, "Oops, work scam." Or they're coming in on you or something? Incense. This pizza's hot. What other contacts tracks did you get, or how are they doing? They're not really doing much. The market's like sitting, so I'm in spreads on Meta and spreads on Nvidia. I don't think Nvidia is going to do anything. Only reason I got Nvidia was because Trump had said something about Nvidia's Blackwell doing very well or being very good. And sometimes things pop when he says that. I was like, yo, let me take a chance on that. Didn't really play out. And then Meta just looks like it wants upside. Kind of, not this candle, but last one did. Interesting. Yeah, Rich, that's where I would like to see the SPY go to. But it's kind of, we're pulling back right now. We'll see what it does at this 200. But you said AMD stopped out? What do you mean by that? I took profit on AMD over here yesterday. So this is like a swing trade I took. I can actually get rid of that now. Yeah, Meta bounced off that trend line this morning. Yeah, the trades I take on trades that I take on stream, they're all less than $200. But I do need to update the thumbnail because it's that the 200 has grown. It's about 5 something right now. You said anything someone like Trump say, I look at it as a long term more than short term. Oh no. Nah, it's like when Trump, if you pay attention this year, when Trump says something, it causes like an immediate reaction. I was trying to like get in and get out of Nvidia, but that was not the opportunity that was provided. Should have just left it alone because I knew it was in this range, but I thought, oh, maybe it can pop out of this range it's been in. Did not. By tripping. I don't know what I got meta at because it's a spread. I think I got like a 795 call. And then I sold like the 797.50 call. Are you talking about Kramer? I remember when I first started in the market, and I think he still has that show on CNBC, but I was watching that. I'm over here like, oh yeah, I'm going to get rich off these stocks. I was looking up everything. I was like, oh yeah, let me put money in, because it was like people call in, ask him about stocks and stuff. He said something like really fast about it. It's like really, really fast. It's like, there's no way he knows that much about all those stocks, but he'll have the little buttons where it's like, buy, 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 buy. And it's like, I don't know. I was like looking at it. I'm like, okay. Everything where you slap the buy button, I'm like, yo, let me get that. That was when I learned. Don't just blindly follow people. Like when he says something bad, it's good. And whenever he says something good, it's usually bad. And then when he finally flops, the situation flops. It's crazy. Y'all just getting all the ASMR today. I'm not watching AMD for anything right now. AMD would need to close a candle blue first. Like close a 4-hour candle blue, and then I'll start watching it. But until then, I don't have anything to watch for right now on AMD. Yeah, Amazon is definitely a hero right now. Yeah, I'm just seeing what it'll do. That makes sense. All right, family. I'm gonna close out the stream a few minutes early today, cause I gotta like go somewhere. That's why I'm rushing on the stream. So I'm hoping the SPY can get up to that 645, 54 kind of area, so I can like sell out. But with that being said, family, that's gonna do it for today. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I hope all y'all's trades go y'all's way. Thank you for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. He says SoFi. I don't think nothing's changed about SoFi since I told you earlier about it. Still in the same range. Still got that demand down here. But yeah, peace out M-Sense, peace out Rich, peace out Camden, peace out D-Scurv, peace out Kong, peace out Mass 3DRC. Camden, I don't have a profile, but once again, I do have that playlist Or I do have, if you just go on if you search, if you search Matthew Manual indicators on YouTube, I have a video on how I set it up. I think it's probably like 4 minutes. Peace out, Patrick. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, JoJo. Peace out, Natasha. Hey, yo, Matthew Manual signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.